today we'll talk about how can you disable hide unlock screen on your Telegram X app. We're going to figure out this solution on how you can do that on your app. All you have to do, you just go above this side, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do, you just click here on settings here. When you just click on it, then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, just go down here. So then you click here on privacy and security here. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list here. So then you keep going down here. Then you come here to hide unlock screen, click in this sign or this color. Then like you see color, it's gone. That's mean hide unlock screen disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.